Hi superstars, you're welcome back, and if you're just joining us, you are welcome. So today we'll be talking about fun things you can do to make money. There are certain things you love doing, okay, you enjoy doing, and you know what, you can actually make money from doing fun things, things you love, things you enjoy doing, okay. There are certain people who love doing certain things, but they don't know that they can actually monetize those things. So today I'll be telling you some of those things you can do as fun, as leisure, but still make money from it. Okay, so let's get started. First on my list is crafts. Okay, so if you're good with doing handmade things, crafts, you can actually monetize them. If you're good with doing things like tote bags, okay, headbands, okay. I know a lady who loves to crochet. Okay, so if you love to crochet, you can crochet and then sell it and make money. You have people who love tote bags. Tote bags now are really selling. Tote bag made from clothes, from materials. Okay, maybe they do one or two designs on it, like what you're seeing on your screen right now. Things like this are selling right now. Students love it because it's affordable and it carries a lot of things. So headbands too are also selling because women love to look beautiful, they love adorning themselves, so things like this sell. And crafts like crocheted bags, like what you're seeing on your screen right now, sells because every lady wants something unique, something beautiful. And crochet clothes, they also crochet, they knit clothes, okay, knit clothes, okay, things like what you're seeing on your screen, things like this are selling right now. So if you know you have this kind of craft, you can either make it and sell it, or you can teach people how to make it and sell it. You know, you can actually teach people how to crochet and then make money from it. You can monetize your knowledge. Okay, you can make it into a course where you show people step-by-step processes on how to crochet, how to knit, because not everyone can do it. There are very unique designs that people who know how to crochet know how to do it, but others don't know. There's a way they twist their hands and all that. You can teach people, make it into a course, and then sell it and make money. Okay, my superstar, so next is artwork. Okay, so if you're very good with artwork, you love drawing and everything, you can make money from artwork. I see lots of people very creative. They draw very well, beautiful things, beautiful pictures, but they do not know how to monetize it. With things like you draw, you can actually make money from it by putting it out there for the world to see. We have so many people who love artwork. People outside the country, they appreciate artwork a lot. So all you need to do is have a social media presence. Go on TikTok, go on Facebook, YouTube, have a YouTube channel where you display this artwork. I see lots of creativity out there, okay? So put your work out there and monetize it. Okay, my superstars. Okay, so the next fun thing you can do to make money is food. If you love cooking, baking, then you can do it to make money. There are people who love just enjoy cooking. They are so excited when they see people eat their food. And the funny thing is that some of them do not necessarily eat. If you see them, you can push them down. They look so slim, but they just enjoy cooking. So if you know you enjoy cooking, it's a fun thing for you. You can actually monetize your cooking skills by cooking, making food in plates, in liters, and selling it to people. Okay, you can do snacks and sell it to people. You can actually sell those things you make. All right, if you love creating unique recipes, trying out new food, you can do it and sell it out to people, and people will eat it. From there, you make money. All right, my superstars. Okay, so before we mention the fourth one, have you liked this video, my superstars? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. What do you think? And please hit the like button, give me a thumbs up, and if you have not subscribed, please hit the subscribe button and turn on your notification so you'll be notified whenever there's a new video. All right, so fourth on the list is riding. Okay, so if you love driving, Okay, you love going on rides, seeing things, enjoying the breeze, seeing things out there. You just love being out there. Then you can actually drive for for platforms like Bolt or Uber, okay, and make money. All right. There are people who you could make it as a hobby, even if you have a 9 to 5 job while you're on your way back from work. I've seen so many people do it while they're on their way back from work. They just switch to the app and then carry people and make quick cash before they head back home. Some people make up to 20,000 before they head back home in a day. Some make like 40,000, some make like 60,000, some 100,000, depending on the places they are going to and the charges they charge people. Okay, so you can actually make money, a fast money, while on your way from work or as a hobby while out there. Rather than stay at home, you could go sightseeing, pick people, job people, and get paid. Okay, so where are my home cleaners? Where are my home dusters? There are people who enjoy cleaning the house. They love the house looking sparkling, very clean. They enjoy doing chores generally. Okay, so if you love doing chores, you enjoy carrying out tasks in the house, keeping the house clean, sparkling, then you can actually do cleaning services. You can do home cleaning services and make money. Okay, get clean homes for people, for single guys, single ladies, for working class guys, working class ladies. All right, you can make money from house cleaning. You can do it daily or 3 times in a week and then get paid at the end of the month. All right, so imagine cleaning about 5 houses, having like 5 houses you clean, and in a month they pay you like 40,000. Okay, that's 40 times 5, that's 200,000. You can make good money from cleaning houses. So if you love cleaning, all right, keeping the house clean, doing chores, then you can actually monetize the skill and then make money from it. All right, so will you be trying it out so far? Which of them will you be trying? We have a few more to go, but let me know your thoughts in the comment section. All right, let's continue. Okay, the next one thing you can do to make money is shopping. There are people that just love shopping. Okay, whenever it's time to shop, they can shop and shop themselves out, blow themselves out. They enjoy shopping. They love going from shops to buy things, see new things, price things. They, when it comes to pricing, they are the baba. They can price. Okay, so these people, you can monetize this skill by being a personal shopper for someone. You can shop for goods and send it to people. You can shop for groceries for people. You can shop for foodstuffs for people. And if you're in a major city where we have big markets, you can shop for clothes or shoes or things people need from other states and send it to them and make money. So you see, you can actually monetize your love for shopping and make good money from it. All right, so the next one thing you can do to make money is babysitting. I know some people who love being around kids. They just enjoy children's company. All right, they are their sister's favorite aunt, their niece's favorite aunt. So if you love babysitting, you love kids generally, you do well around your siblings, children, and all that, you can actually monetize this skill. All right, you can either work for a daycare or you can start your own daycare from home. You can open a place or maybe inform a few parents that, oh, before going to work, you could come and drop your kids and I'll help babysit them for you. All right, and then you pay so amount. I know that some daycares in a month they pay about 50,000 naira, some 40,000 naira. So if you babysit about 5 kids or 10 kids in a month, do the math yourself. Let me not press the calculator myself. Okay, imagine you're paid 40,000 naira and you babysit like 10 kids in a month. That is 400,000 naira made from babysitting from the comfort of your home. Okay, they will just drop off these kids at your home. All right, you may need to buy a few basics, or those parents could bring it like wipes and all that. Okay, so those are the basic things you need. So you can actually make money from doing what you love. All right, okay, my superstar. So in all the tips I have told you, they are very fun business ideas. They are very fun things you can do to make money. But you know what? You have to leverage social media if you must blow. They look small, but I know so many people who have made millions from these things I have mentioned. You have to leverage social media platforms to advertise, create content, my superstars. Content can make anyone. Do you remember that guy who sells fish pie? He created content selling fish pie, and before you know it, he blew. So even if you're selling pepper, even if you're selling crayfish, if you know how to create content and get your target audience, you can make money from it. So don't look at it, it may look small, it may look little, but with advertising on platforms like TikTok, YouTube, Facebook, you can make money. All right, my superstars, I'm rooting for you. All right. Okay, so if you have any question, please leave it in the comments section and I'll get right back to you. And have you liked this video, my superstars? If you have not liked this video, please hit the like button. Give me a thumbs up. Give me a thumbs up. All right. Thank you. And if you have not subscribed, please take a second to hit that subscribe button, like, and share this video. Thank you. All right, till our next video. Thank you for watching. I appreciate you. Thank you, my superstars. Till our next video, always and always remember that I love you. Bye, superstars.